Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't take anything personally. Transform your life. When you refuse to take things personally, you avoid many upsets in your life. Your feelings of anger, jealousy, and even sadness will simply disappear if you don't take them personally. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials close up 332. NASDAQ up 49, S&Ps up 16. Let's go over to these S&Ps, folks, because what you're going to see coming into the close here, this was one wild close. When we take a look at the S&Ps, what you're going to see is that the high in the S&P futures today was 26.58. That high was established out here at 12:40 this afternoon. Bottom line, gave it up pretty quick. Came all the way down to 26.41. Now, bottom line, that's still new all-time high, but that being said, you gave up 17 S&P points, which is big numbers. Now, that being said, wait to see what happened coming into the close. So coming into the close, what you had at 20 minutes of 4, you were at 26.43 again. Bang! They hit it all the way up to 26.51. And then guess what? This was like the quickest 10 points I saw, whether up or down, well, both ways, up and down. And then coming into the close, they slammed it from 26.51 to 26.41. Pretty wild. So we go over to the SPY. We take a look at the SPY. What you have with the SPY, did the same type of deal. Bottom line, though, you're up 216. You're at another all-time high. You're at 264.87. The Dow Industrials, we take a look at the Dow Industrials. Dow, wide price spread, up 331 bucks. 24,272. Percentage-wise, what we did out here, did 1.4% in the Dow, 0.9% in the S&P, 0.7% in the NASDAQ Composite. We get over and we take a look at the NDX 100. What you have with the NDX 100, yesterday they slammed that baby from 64.12 to 62.79. We're up 54 bucks right now. Now, it did not get in the higher range. It would have to get up another 20 points in order to get into that higher range. 63.65 is where we're at. If we take a look at the 3Qs, what you have with the 3Qs, yesterday you go downtown. We did that with 71 million shares. You're uptown today with 15.4. Inside the NDX 100, the strength versus the weakness. Strength today was Costco. That was up 3.8% or 690. Express Scripts was up 3.6 or 232. PayPal was up 3.3 or 248. Taken away from it was Liberty down at 4% or 92 cents. You had Micron down an additional 3% at $1.35. And you had Western Digital down 2.6% or $2.14. Let's go ULTA. So after the close out here, we're going to have some numbers for you. First one, Ulta Salon, Ulta Beauty. Ulta closed at $221. That's trading at $208. That is going to be, this very well could be a real big problem here. So at 189, actually, we have a high volume low. This equity is down from 314. Yeah, this can be a big ABC structure on the way down. So 187 is a high volume low that will get tested. Let's see what they have to say. The estimate for the third quarter earning was $1.67. They made $1.70, so they made that number. Their comp sales, the estimate was 10.4%. They made 10.3. That's not bad either. The revenue, that's what we got to find. Where's that revenue? So revenue, $1.34 billion. They did 1.34. So revenue, they did what it was. Bottom line is that they still don't. Earnings per share misses estimate. Yeah, the market's not digging it. That's the bottom line. That's quite a hit. 221. We're trading at 209, and we bring this back. And this was a rocket ship on the way up, but guess what? You also have volume off the highs on the way down. So we'll see how it challenges this 187 on the way down. But it looks like, yeah, the 187 is going to be important too, because it does have support that 182 to 187. Actually, 182 to 195. You break that baby, and then there is trouble in paradise. We go take a look at AMBA. This is a high definition video compression chip company. This is trading at $54.27. That closed at that. It's trading $57.29 right now. That's up $3. Let's see what they have to say. Okay, so the estimate was 67 cents. They made 75. Big number. Revenue estimate 70.3 million. Up to that, they're gonna come in the middle of that. They're figuring the 68 to 72 million. So they gave them the middle of the viewpoint of their projection, and this has also been in a consolidation for a while. This is way down off its high. Its high was in 2015 at $129. You're trading 54.25 right now. Well, when we take a look at good old King Dollar. So I'm going to put King Dollar on a larger continuous contract, and what you're going to see out here, we're at the end of the month, which is pretty cool, folks. Okay, so what you're going to see is that your A point on King Dollar is 103.81, which is January. Your B is 90.99, which is September. And guess what? We didn't hold price. This is pretty amazing. And this very well could be a very large ABC structure on the way down. 103, yeah, you got $13. That would bring you, oh, look at this, 85, 80, that'd bring you to 82. Now, 88 is the high of 2008 and 2010. This ABC down, if that's what we got, is saying, 82. If we get it into that bar that far, then what game is 73. Pretty intense. You stay right there, folks. Got our man, Mr. Basil Chapman, coming back next.